Hi, this time I'm talking about free flying your budgies in a safe room in the house. And I do recommend that your budgies be allowed to fly as much as possible within a room that is safe within the house, if this can be arranged, if they're so lucky and you're so lucky to be able to do this. There are many bird hazards that you need to address, and a couple of them are making sure that there's no bathroom toilets with open lids, because budgies can easily drown in those, and make sure there are no ceiling fans, or that the ceiling fans are turned off when your budgie is flying around. And then you make sure that the room is free from obvious bird hazards such as Scotchgard, sprayed furniture, and sources of lead, zinc, mercury, that's in the back of mirrors, peeling chrome, copper, anything like that, or peeling paint. That there's no items like that your budgie can chew and become poisoned. And then there are various plants that you must keep out of the budgie room, such as lilies, tiger lilies, other poisonous plants. So be aware of those. Avocado, no avocado in the room, and prepare a room for your budgie. I suggest that you have a couple of swing perches in corners of the room up high, which your budgies will naturally, but within reach of your hands, that your budgies can fly to, and that you place a sheet of plastic or butcher's paper underneath each perch to make cleaning up easy. If you provide 2 or 3 perches in different parts of the room like that, then the budgies will tend to fly from one to the other, and especially if you have their water container near one and a seed container near another, and they'll spend most time in those places rather than doing poops across the whole room. Makes life a lot easier and makes cleaning up a lot easier. So there's some tips for you on free flying your budgies in a safe room, and keep coming back for more information as you might, and make sure you buy my book, Dr. Ross Perry's budgiebook.com, and learn lots more than I can share with you in these videos. You can buy my book now as an ebook as well as a hard copy from www.goldcoastbirdvet.com. That is www.goldcoastbirdvet.com. Keep coming back for more. See you again soon.